Hi, in part 25 we are going to see how to place the geometric dimension and tolerance symbols on drawing in Creo. We will directly move to Creo. First we are going to see 3:2:1 rule. See, in fixer design, to arrest the degrees of freedom of a workpiece, they always use some rule 3:2:1. That means one surface needed to be supported by 3 legs and the adjacent surface supported by 2 and the third surface supported by 1 to arrest all degrees of freedom. So these supports are called datum targets. See here 3 datum targets and this side 2 datum targets and here 1 datum target. The datum plane established by these 3 targets are called primary datum, and the datum plane established by, that is set datum, established by 2 points are called secondary datum, and the datum established by this single support called tertiary datum. There are 3 datum set datums. Okay, now see, I am going to see one drawing. See, this is one drawing. There is a rectangular block, 200 length, 100 width and 50 thickness. See, the bottom surface is A datum, that side. This one is B datum and the red color side is C datum, and one more drill we have created on the center and we applied the position tolerance on this. How we are establishing A, B, C, we will see by imagining one irregular piece. I have created one irregular surface piece. See, I have created one irregular piece. Imagine this piece is ordered from a shop, purchased from shop. Okay, now how we are going to machine this block into a required one like this. This is our final output. We have to make this block based on this drawing. Okay, first we need to create a datum A, the bottom one. See, I am going to create one cut in the bottom side to make flat. See, I already created. See, I removed the bottom. See, it will be like this. Yes, I removed the bottom surface to make flatness. Now we made the bottom surface into flatness. On this surface we can create primary datum. How to create set datums we will see in the model. First we have to create ordinary datum plane by picking this geometry. Here there should be 0 or coincident. The name is A. This is the primary datum. Okay, then this is ordinary datum. We need to change this datum into set datum. Right pick, properties, pick this one. This is the set datum. Give OK. This in the detailing we will see these things. Just pick and give OK. Now we have created one datum plane. The datum plane must be a flat one. We can assign flatness to this surface. If we want to assign a flatness, go to annotate, pick geometric tolerances. If we pick these icons, we can see all the symbols. These are all GTAL symbols. You can refer some internet document to know these things. See, this first 4 is form tolerance. The next 2 are profile tolerance. I have one document or this one. See, first 4 form tolerance. The second 2 just a minute. is this. Second to profile. Then the these three are orientation tolerance, these three are position tolerance, the last one is run out. For first four we should not refer any datums. Okay, we will see later these things. Now we are going to apply flatness. This surface flatness we can apply. The other things we should not apply. First these things. So this is the piece for which part we are going to create GTOL. This one here we have to select the part. It is already selected. Then the second one is for which feature we are applying the GTOL. Here the flatness applied to this surface. So we have to select surface, pick this surface. Now we have selected. Last one we will see later. Then the datum reference. For first four we should not assign any datum. We can't able to assign also. See in the datum reference. Sorry, flatness. Flatness first we have to select. Okay, the datum reference we can't able to assign any datum. Then the tolerance value. How the tolerance, how the flatness, how much the flatness we can give. 0.05. Here no symbol. Okay, then now we have to place on the surface. How to place? By using this portion we can place the GTOL. Pick here with leader I am placing on surface, select the surface, give done, just pick outside. Now we have created one flatness for this surface. Okay, now we have completed. Then next we need to create second surface. See in the drawing the bottom we have created. Then next we are going to cut this two supports side. I already removed this portion. See, this is the second surface I already removed. Now we removed the second one. For this second one also we can assign the flatness if we need. We can assign perpendicular also with respect to A. We have already created A, so we can assign perpendicular to. I am assigning one more thing. Annotate. Go to this here. Now we can assign perpendicular. Here the same component. Here this surface. Select this surface. Datum reference. Here we have created only A, so we can refer only the A. See. To A, tolerance value 0.05 I am giving. Then placing the tolerance with the leader on surface. I am picking this surface. Done. Picking outside we can be created the tolerance. Okay. Now this is the secondary datum. So sorry, before that I need to create the datum. A we have created, B not yet created. I applied the GTOL, but before that we need to create the datum plane. This one. Okay, the name is B. Okay, properties. This is a B. Okay. Now we have completed B surface. If you want to see, right click properties. Sorry, the datum selected is wrong. Edit definition. Move this surface. Okay. B is okay. B. Now we have completed B. Next we are going to create the C datum. For that we machined this surface. In the C datum plane, this surface, this is a C. Okay. Right click properties, pick this one, then only it will convert into set datums. Now we have created A, B, C, all set datums. For C also we can assign perpendicular with respect to A and B we can give. Flatness we can give. Okay. Now all next, these are all the basic references A, B, C. With respect to this surface only, we need to all other operations, either machining, drilling, whatever, we need to refer only these three datum planes or these three datum surfaces. Now I am going to remove the top surface. Extrude. Let's continue. Just I am creating one line. We have to refer only the bottom surface. The total height given is 100, sorry 50, then okay, remove material through all, okay. Now we removed the top. For top we can assign parallel to A. I am assigning, just for practice I am assigning all the things. Tolerance. Now we are going to orientation tolerance, parallel. Which surface? Here we need to select surface, this surface. Datum reference with respect to A only. In the secondary it must be none, parallel to A only. The tolerance value we can give parallel 0.05. okay, in the model. Now we can assign with the leader, or we can assign on the dimensions also, because we used 50 as a dimension, so I am picking dimension. If we pick, just on 50 I am applying. Okay, on dimensions we can apply. Now we are going to cut these. Okay, model. Okay, I am not going to cut this side and this side. We will create a hole. It will take time. Similar only. How we did this, similar to we have to cut these portions. Now I am creating one hole. It should be ordinary hole, 15 mm or 10 mm. How much value? 15 mm dia. I am creating 15 mm dia. Placement on this surface we need to drill. The reference must be, definitely it must be with respect to this and this surfaces. We should not refer any other surfaces. This is 100 and this one is 50. Okay, this is a through hole. Now we have created through hole and give okay. Now I am going to assign position tolerance to this. Annotate here. For hole we always use position tolerance. Next, the same model, the surface must be a cylindrical surface. Then datum reference, here we need to rest on A, B and C for reference position. We have to rest the workpiece on A and we need to locate the drill bit from B and C. So we need to refer all A, B and C is required. Tolerance value I am giving 0.05. The symbol, the drill bit zone we need to give. See, so we have to give the diameter symbol. Diameter, the drill bit location. 0.05 we have given. What 0.05 square area or line area, so we have to properly assign the symbol diametrical area. Then now position we need to on dimension. I am placing once again on this dimension, the drill dimension. We have to pick this one. Okay. Whenever we are assigning GTAL to hole dimensions, the reference, these dimensions must be a basic one. If we, so we have to give yes, it should, these two dimensions must be a basic dimension. Basic dimensions means it don't have any tolerances. For holes we can assign the tolerance. Okay. Next I am creating one more concentric hole. hole. For example, 25 I am writing placement. Okay, before that I am going to create a concentric hole, concentric to this hole. So we have to refer this axis as a reference for one more hole. So we have to create a datum for this hole. I am creating one datum, axis datum. This one is D. 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 OK. I am converting this ordinary datum into set datum. Okay, now we have created this axis as a T. Now I am going to make one more hole concentric to this hole, that is concentric to D. So I am creating hole size is 25, deep 20 mm, placement I am referring this hole, so this surface, by picking the control I am picking the axis. So we have created one more hole. Now give OK. Okay, now I am going to assign GTAL to this one. Annotate GTAL. Now concentric. Here the surface. This one is the surface. The datum references is D. The secondary it should be none. There is no meaning to assign this. So only D is required. Tolerance value we can give whatever the value. See model. Now I am going to place on the dimension. Just to pick the hole, we can get the dia. On dia we can place the theta. Okay. Now we will create a drawing to this component. Window. Okay, I am going to cut this. Remove this one. Extrude, placement, define, sketch view. I am going to cut this portion. This must be 100. The all material to be removed. Now extrude, placement, define, use previous sketch. I am going to remove. With respect to, we have to refer only the datums. Okay, now we have completed the block. Now we are going to create the drawing for this block. Okay, see, whenever we placed, we always get the datum. This A, this one is B, this one is C, B, C, A, B, C. We can delete this one. If we want to place, we can annotate here, go and pick. You can retrieve all the datums. Otherwise, here we can see B, C, we can add. Okay, now we have assigned A, B, C. Then we have to provide the overall dimension. I am changing the view display, no hidden, none. Okay, view display, hidden, none. Okay, now I am creating one overall size, dimension, 1, 2, and the thickness. Okay. If we want to assign ordinate dimension, this must be 0, this must be 200. Similarly, the datum line must be 0, this must be 100. Similarly, the datum line is 0, this is 50. With respect to A, we have to create this dimension. See? See? Now we can retrieve the GTOLs also. See? This one. Okay. Now perpendicular to point A, we can move this to this view. We can easily the bottom is flatness value, and the A datum is having flatness, B datum having perpendicularity. Similarly, in the dimension, we can pick the dimensions. Sorry. The entire thing we can pick. See, we have on dimension, we have two tolerances, this one and okay. Nothing. And the dimensions, pick this basic dimensions we need, and this we need. Any other theta is there? Okay. Now we have see, we have shown A, B, C, but we referred to D, but we didn't shown the D. So there is pick this one, pick the view, select the D. Okay. Then right pick, edit attachment. Right pick, go to properties. Here in dimension is there. Just pick in dimension, pick the dimension. The D is for whole dia 15. We have created this D. By referring D, we have created this concentric hole 25. Okay. In this way, we have to assign all geometric dimensions. This must be a basic. Okay, I think we have completed. This one. Okay, nearly we have completed in this way. Instead of assigning on geometry, we can assign here also. By picking here, we can, for example, I am going to add some parallel, like that means here we can pick the same window we will get, but here selecting the feature is we have to select very carefully the features. In 2D, picking the surface is very difficult, so we are assigning in 3D geometry and retrieving here. Here also we can apply. Okay. Here we are using A, B, C as a set datums. If the object is irregular, for example uneven, see this, the top view, all edges are curved. Similarly, this also curved. So we can't able to give the set datums for this component in drawing. In this case, we have to give the set datum target details. This one. These things we will see in the next session. Thank you.